Because people voted.
What are they voting in?
They're voting in I know it has something to do with England or something.
I can't wait for tomorrow because I'll tell you why. Because it's a love-hateism, and it's going to be it's just going to be down the road there at the K-Gate.
You got to see it today as well, didn't you?
Yeah.
Which is more important, the elections tomorrow or love hate?
Love hate. Voting because if someone's leaving the job for too late, like the roadworks and all, they vote for them so they can do it.
Where does he live?
Yeah.
Kenny. Do you like Kenny?
Yeah, I was fascinated in him since my man told me about him.
Oh really? What did your man tell you about him?
He told me that people keep thinking that he's making them pay too much, and one day when he was in the limo, all the people kept jumping on the limo and saying bad words about him.
And do you think he's doing a good job in leading the country?
I think that he's trying to get money to help the city and make the world a better place, so I think that he's right, and I think that they shouldn't be cursing about him.
What age do you think he is?
32.
What age do you reckon Kenny is?
50. 44.
And the people who get voted in, how much money do you think they earn?
About £5 grand.
1,000.
More than
For how long? For how long?
2 days.
And do you think you have to work for that house? Yeah.
Because if you're famous, and if you have loads of money, you could just give a girl about €100 to be enough with you.
Do you think politicians get girls?
Yeah. No.
What does everyone else think? Do you think politicians get girls?
No. Yeah. Build loads of stuff like all parks and playgrounds.
Build a stadium.
Build a
Get
stadium.
houses for poor people. Build a stadium. A football pitch.
Stadium? Where? On Sheriff Street?
Yeah.
For what team?
Help the poor. What about you? Build a house for the poor. And clean Sheriff Street up.